Hello guys, so in today's video, we'll be using formulas to solve quadratic equations. Now, in our previous video, I showed you how to derive the general formula of all quadratic equations using completing the square method. So today, we'll be using that general formula to solve quadratic equations. So we'll be using formula methods to solve this quadratic equation. So now when using formula method, the first thing you have to do is we have to write the general form of a quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we are going to compare the general form with our quadratic equation that they have given us. So we have 2x squared plus 7x plus 5 equals to 0. Now we are comparing our coefficients. So the coefficient of x squared here is a, and the coefficient of x squared here is 2. So therefore a is equal to 2. The coefficient of x here is b and coefficient of x here is 7. So b is equal to 7. The constant here is c, while the constant here is 5. So c is equal to 5. So now, when we have gotten a, b, c, we can now go back to the general formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This is general formula. So now anywhere we see a, b or c, we just include these values. So we have x is equal to minus b plus, okay, we have x is equal to minus b is 7. So we have minus 7 plus or minus square root of b is 7. So we have 7 square minus 4 times a is 2 times c is 5 all over 2 times 2, which is a. So our x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 square is 49. So we have 49 minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 over 4. So x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus 49 minus 40 is 9. So square root of 9 all over 4. So our values of x are x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus 7 plus square root of 9 over 4, or minus 7 minus square root of 9 over 4. So square root of 9 is 3. So we have x is equal to minus 7 plus 3 over 4, or minus 7 minus 3 over 4. So let's use here. So x is equal to minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. So we have minus 4 over 4, or minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10 over 4. So x is equal to minus 1, or 2 goes here is 5, 2 goes here is 2, so minus 5 over 2. So in decimal, x is equal to minus 1, or x is equal to minus 2.5. So these are the values of x when we use formula method. So you see that formula method is very easy to use to solve quadratic equations, and it's very fast. We have another equation. Solve the equation t squared minus 2t plus 5 equal to 0. So the first thing we have to do, as I said earlier, is write the general format and compare it with the quadratic equation. So this is the general format. So we have t squared minus 2t plus 5 equal to 0. Now you notice that our variable is different. So what we just have to do is that we just have to change x to t so that it will match the variable that we have. So we have t and t. And let this not confuse you. Remember, t is the variable. So the coefficient of t comparing this and this is 1. So a is equal to 1. Since there is nothing written here, it means that the coefficient of t squared is 1. And b is equal to minus 2. Remember, this the operation is attached, minus 2. So B is minus 2 and C is 5. So C is 5. So our general formula is x. Okay, now we are using t. So t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is the general formula. So therefore, t is equal to, what is b? Minus 2. So we have minus 2 plus or minus square root of b is minus 2. So minus 2 all squared minus 4 into a is 1 times 5 all over 2 times 1. T is equal to, minus minus is plus. So we have 2 plus or minus square root of, now minus 2 square is 4 because we have minus 2 times minus 2. So this minus will multiply this minus, giving us plus, and 2 multiplied to giving us 4. So we have 4 minus 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 5, 20 all over 2. So therefore, C is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 20 is minus 16 all over 2. So therefore, C is equal to 2 plus square root of minus 16 over 2, or T is equal to 2 minus square root of minus 16 over 2. Now this is giving us a complex number. So complex number is where we have square root of a negative number. So we have minus 16 here. But that's a topic for another video. So, but just leave your answer like this if you have a negative, because when you punch your calculator, it's going to give you mass error. So always just leave the answer like this. So this is the final answer of our quadratic equation. These are the roots of the quadratic equation. We have another example. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 8x plus 5. So writing our general form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So our quadratic formula, our quadratic equation, which is 2x squared minus 8x plus 5 is equal to 0. So comparing, our a is 2, our b is minus 8, our c is 5. So our general formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So x is equal to minus, b is minus 8, so minus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 square minus 4 into a is 2 times 5 gc all over 2 times 2. So therefore, x is equal to, minus minus 8 is 8, because minus minus is plus. So we have 8 plus or minus square root of, minus 8 square is 64. So we have 64 minus 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 5, 40. 40 all over 4. So our x is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 40. 64 minus 40 is 24 all over 4. So our quadratic equation therefore is x is equal to 8 plus square root of 24 over 4, or 8 minus square root of 24 over 4. These are the roots of the equation. 8 plus square root of 24 over 4, or 8 minus square root of 24 over 4. So that's it for this video. Please always practice so that you get perfect. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and God bless you.